Chapter 1. Here is a broad biological classification of birds, class Aves, organized from major groups to familiar examples. 1. Flightless birds, ratites and relatives. 2. Water birds, duck, goose, swan, pelican, flamingo, heron. 3. Birds of prey, raptors, eagle, hawk, falcon, owl, vulture. 4. Game birds, chicken, turkey, quail, pheasant, peacock. 5. Perching birds, passerine/songbirds, sparrow, crow, robin, mina, bulbul. 6. Parrots and allies, parrot, macaw, cockatoo, parakeet. 7. Wading and shore birds, crane, stork, sandpiper, avocet. 8. Climbing and tree birds, woodpecker, toucan, cuckoo. 9. Nocturnal birds, nightjar. 10. Seabirds, albatross, gull, tern, cormorant. 11. Nectar-feeding and aerial birds, often missed. 12. Scavenger birds, often separated from raptors, vulture, condor, marabou, stork. 13. Migratory birds, often treated as a major group, Siberian crane, bar-headed goose, Arctic tern. 14. Domestic and poultry birds, added. 15. Habitat birds, added. Forest birds, hornbill, grassland birds, bustard, desert birds, roadrunner, wetland birds, egret. 16. Feeding-based birds, added. Insectivorous birds, flycatcher, granivorous birds, sparrow, frugivorous birds, toucan, carnivorous birds, eagle, nectarivorous birds, hummingbird. 17. Birds of special adaptation, added. Diving birds, penguin, hovering birds, hummingbird, camouflage birds, nightjar, high-speed flight birds, swift.